Welcome back to Bike Buzz, the channel where machines meet legacy. Today, we're steering away from two wheels and diving into one of the most legendary four-wheeled masterpieces of the pre-war era, the 1936 Rolls-Royce Phantom II. Buckle up for a smooth ride into automotive royalty. A symbol of prestige. The Rolls-Royce Phantom II was the final large luxury car built under the personal supervision of Henry Royce before his death. By 1936, it had already cemented its place as the epitome of craftsmanship, elegance, and engineering excellence. With fewer than 1,700 units ever made, the Phantom II represents the end of an era, and the pinnacle of it. Engineering excellence. Under the hood, the 1936 Phantom II housed a refined 7.7-liter straight-six engine. This wasn't about speed, it was about effortless motion. The power delivery was smooth, quiet, and authoritative, everything a true Rolls-Royce should be. Paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox, the car could cruise at highway speeds with grace, making it a favorite among aristocrats and heads of state. Custom coachwork, unlimited luxury. One of the defining traits of the Phantom II was its customizable body. Rolls-Royce delivered the chassis and engine, and left the bodywork to elite coach builders like Park Ward, Hooper, and Barker. Each Phantom II was essentially a one-of-one creation, tailored to its owner's exact tastes, making every car unique. Timeless design. The 1936 model showcased sweeping fenders, a long bonnet, and the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy ornament leading the way. The attention to detail was astounding, from hand-stitched leather interiors to real wood trim and custom gauges. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Legacy and collectability. Today, the Phantom II is a prized collector's item, often fetching seven-figure sums at auctions. It's a rolling piece of history, representing British luxury at its peak and standing as a monument to the Rolls-Royce standard. The best car in the world. Outro. Stay tuned with Bike Buzz. That wraps up our look at the legendary 1936 Rolls-Royce Phantom II. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a true classic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride along with Bike Buzz for more stories from the world of iconic machines. See you in the next one.